Click Class. Scroll down to Python and click it. Click on any chapter. This is a PDF. You can view all the pages here. Go to any page here by typing a number. Zoom in and out here. Download and print the PDF. You can also download the PDF here, and you can full screen it here. To go back to the list, click here. For some lessons, you will have videos. For the videos, you can pause and play here. You can adjust the sound here. You can full screen the video here. And you can download, adjust the playback speed, and do picture-in-picture, which shows a smaller form of the video. This lesson also has a PDF, and you can do the same things that you can do in the other lesson.